that more recently important observations have been made about some deficiencies in the civil service sector, without which a project to establish a capable and developmental state will fail. In April last year, 2024, the New South Institute published a document entitled Towards a Merit-Based Senior Civil Service, Strategies for Reform in South Africa. And among other things, it said that the current civil service system in South Africa faces a multitude of challenges that hinder its effectiveness and efficiency, and significantly affect the overall quality of public service delivery. And it said one of the most pressing issues is the absence of a robust meritocratic framework. However, the process of appointing senior civil servants has become increasingly politicized. Appointments are often based on political loyalty rather than professional qualifications, undermining the autonomy and effectiveness of the civil service. It said the high turnover of senior officials, driven by changes in the political landscape, contributes to the instability within the civil service. And said addressing issues of corruption and maladministration is another significant challenge. The lack of strong and independent oversight mechanisms allows corrupt practices to persist, eroding public trust in the civil service. And he said additionally, the absence of clear and structured career paths discourages skilled professionals from entering and staying within the civil service. The South Institute also addressed a long outstanding matter of the professionalization of the civil service, and said the national framework towards professionalization of the public sector, developed by the South African National School of Government, sets out in October 2022, sets out a comprehensive plan to improve the overall quality of the public service, including senior civil service. This ambitious document aims to create a public sector characterized by skilled, ethical, and committed professionals who embody the values of the Constitution. It advocates a public sector with the right skills, professional ethics, and commitment to serving the public, which is crucial to building a competent civil service capable of effective public administration. And it said, however, while the framework sets out a visionary approach, it faces challenges in practical implementation. A key issue is the lack of specific enforcement mechanisms.